Time seems to slow down in the mountains, only measurable by the sound and the rhythms of nature. It's funny how a place once so alien to me now feels like home. We head out as often as we can. Shackles, carabines, hundreds of meters of marathon webbing, but what lies ahead may just be worth it. I start to feel it now. It manifests into my whole being like a parasite onto its host. Intimidating. I try to let the natural surroundings soothe my train of thought. I know this place. I know this feeling. I must have been here 1,000,000 times before. All around me, life goes on, yet every part of me seems to resist. As I draw closer, I wrap my head around all the details. I struggle to keep focused with the immense pressure now weighing on me. Okay, stable anchor points, 0 altitude difference. Is there even enough space to make a backup fall? Check the webbing, check the steels, protect the line with rugs, bags, anything to keep it from tearing apart. One final eye on the elements. I feel alive. Me? I'm nobody special, really. I'm actually afraid of heights. Highlining reminds me of who I want to be. The constant challenge gives me something that lasts beyond the peaks. Something I cherish deeply, and that's what makes it all worthwhile. So, what moves you?